Let us see how to escape meta characters. The easiest way to do it is to escape them using the backslash character. To match a backslash literally, you have to use double backslash. Depending on the pattern, you can also use a different magic modifier to reduce the need for escaping. Let us see some examples. The line anchors don't need escaping if they are not used in customary positions. So for example, if I search for B caret 2, so this will match this because this line anchor is not used as the anchor, it is at some other location. Similarly, if I use $4, so dollar is not at the end of the pattern, so this becomes an ordinary character, and you can see it matches in these locations. But suppose you want to match a string caret followed by super. Let's see what happens if we try to search for that. So caret and super. So there are no matches because you are using caret as a line anchor. So in such cases, you have to necessarily escape it using the backslash character. So now it matches these occurrences. Next, let us look at square brackets. When you are matching such characters, and if only one of them is present in the pattern, then you don't need to escape them. So for example, if I search for B, opening square bracket and 1, so this will happily match these occurrences. You don't need to escape this character. Similarly, if I am searching for 42 followed by closing square bracket, again this will match these characters literally. But suppose I want to search for B and within square brackets for 1, 2, 3. If I simply do B and 1, 2, 3 within the square brackets, then this becomes a character class. So this will match B followed by 1 or 2 or 3. But we want to match these characters literally. So if you escape one of them, then the character class will no longer be applicable. And you can see a match is found. So if you change this to escaping the opening square bracket, so that will also work. But the same thing cannot be used in substitute command. It will depend on the kind of pattern you are using. So for example, so if I am trying to search for B opening square bracket and 1 and want to replace it with X, what will actually happen is this entire part will be matched literally as the search term. There is no replacement term, so this will be replaced with nothing. So you can see that simply disappeared. So let me undo that. So instead, you have to escape this opening square bracket. So now you can see it matches only these 3 characters. And when I press enter, this will be replaced with uppercase X. So here's an example where using a magic modifier can help instead of trying to escape all the meta characters. So suppose I want to match A star B dot C literally, I can use the very no magic modifier so that these characters will be treated literally. Next, let us look at a meta character in the replacement section. So if I want to replace and with ampersand, I need to necessarily escape it because ampersand is a meta character that gives the matched portion. So after escaping, you will get a literal ampersand character. So within character classes, we have meta characters like hyphen, caret, the closing square bracket and so on. Easiest way to escape them is by using the backslash character. In addition, you can also place them in certain locations to match them literally. So for example, the hyphen character, if it is at the end or start of the character class, it will be treated literally. For the caret, it makes sense only if it is the first character within the character class. So if you place it anywhere else, then it will match this character literally instead of negating the character class. For the closing square bracket, you can place it as the first character of the character class. So this is a normal character class and this is a negated character class. In both cases, the closing square bracket is the first character. So this will be matched literally.